Hey guys, so we're trying American KFC for the first time original. So I got 3 piece biscuit, everything mashed coleslaw. I don't know all these full of things, so more biscuits. I got a famous bowl. They sent two, I don't know why, but let's get into it. Alright, so this is the original. Let's go in for the first bite. On the wicked, so. On the problem KFC are the worst. This tastes so fucking good. What? Now let's try the biscuit. Soft. Mm-mm. Butter. I can't believe this. I know. So good. Mm. Fab. Now let's try the famous bowl. Let's go. Y'all can take the first bite. Still hot and everything. Mmm. 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 You know, in my belly, I'm gonna give this like a 8 out of 10. Beautiful. We're gonna to that side, you know, me get my ketchup. Yeah. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. What's KFC without coleslaw? Foreign guando. Me easily give this like a 7.5, 8 out of 10. It was good. Probably depends on the location, but this shit was good. Yeah, my side. So we get down at the American KFC. But I know I want to think I must try next. Peace.
Hi guys, please, I need you guys' help. I'm in so much pain, please. Please help me. I don't know how much longer I can hold on anymore. Every day, 24/7, it don't ease. Because it's not easy. I need a hip replacement
to, you know. From what you see, you go like, you know, and bumbo class size up in the pops. Pops, I bet you go on, you know. Better your bumbo class go on, because right now, me about suck your mother for telling you, know, pops. Because me see all on and go like, you know, and picture, you know. And pops, you can't disrespect me, you know, and drive through blood clot, fall mouth, I walk up with my name in your bumbo class mouth, you know. So go on where you're going to suck with pops. Me know, and none of you feel like you can ramp with me image on this boy. Move from side of my screen, pussy wall. And anyone on feel like you can ramp with me and walk in a fan with a gunshot. Pussy wall do no. Size up with my name. You know, no bumbo clot mouth. I don't know why I get mad. I don't know why I get mad. Because I get mad at some go on. I don't want nobody size up with me. I want to.
You just hear real dog join my life. And no man, take off this man, take off this. But me pay use them. And me are you there from when? How we not go live. We are focused on our life. Real dog join the life. And I say, you see your pops. Me see you from when are you? Teddy bear, I want to go on. Pussy clot, you.
Yeah. When the dog man at him, and Atto exit the live, I respect you for that, Atto. I respect you for that. You know, they entertain like Slime and the rest of them. You exit the live. Ivani, I respect you for that. You exit the live. Triple, CC, I respect you for that. I respect you all on for that. Some people on this app not really busy about nobody life or safety. They're all busy about Rose and kind. But me and Atto not talk about me can't tell us I respect you for that. Cause me and no plan peace you could have stayed there and promoted me address more. But you're in off I live. So Atto, I respect you for that, Atto. I may still not for plan peace. I mean I look no friend. But at any idea, me respect you for what you do. Ivani, me respect you. Jaden, me respect you. Me respect you for what you do. Yeah. But me just make you know, say, big up on yourself. Me respect for what you do. CC, me respect for what you do. You know? Yeah. Yeah, bro. Where you to sing the song Donkey? Damien. Yeah. Me respect what you do to Damien. Because I join Damien to live. And Damien cut. Me respect you to Damien. You could have stayed there and entertain for views. And you move. You see me? A Slime did it, all of them did the same way. I'm not talking no respect for no. But no, as big man could have said, dog, I won't not do a move. All I want to do it for kind. I don't care what nobody wants to say. Just so. Yes, Tommy, I just so. Just so. Everyone else do it for kind. I'm just laugh.
Ram, come on.
Yeah man.
Lam, me have money there, I go and chill, yeah?
Yeah man. I real like address that. So you can go link him. Now you may flip on live, I said not at 6.
Jesus Christ. Wait. I wait have up. I work on a $500. I'm only have up on it. Oh my God, but no,
One thing, you know, gotta find fucker still, you know, where I went if I find fucker, we'll find fucker, you know. Jesus Christ,
yeah,
eyes, cock your ears. Cock your ears, eyes. When me a cuss them bad word, they have to cock your ears.
So we're like, I just that for you?
Alright, me could left it alone, now. Me could left it alone, man.
Who we got on? Let me see. Guys, we're going to do some.
Bless you.
Bless you. Me not give him no more. I make to take my streets them.
T. One more match, man, before.
Anyways, world dog, keep my name out of your mouth. Please, may I beg you, may I not have nothing, and may I have nothing. Full stop, no comma. Then again, when Rose I say things, you know answer Rose, you want to see me. Why Slime easy if it's a fucking call? I chose a 5 letters. S-L-Y-M-E. I chose a 5-letter word. Make it so easy if you call. Hey girl, where I say exactly, you don't know nothing what go on, there's a type exactly. You can't go look up. Anyways, them I call up my name too much, man. Chat, tap up his screen for you can't look up. Cause him and Rose no friend. Oh! So, a Slime, everybody have strength for. Eh? I mean, everybody have strength for. Let's change the shots now. I mean, everybody have strength for, eh? Bumbo clad. What's my... Bro, me me know nobody have no strength for me, you know. Bumbo clad. Queen Tony, you tell me if you calm see and I hit me, I try do. But too much... We love you. Eh, I love you too, baby. You know, do no badness. So true, me not send out a message in our illiterate way. Me not do no badness. Bro, me not want them... I'm talking too good. What me I say is, Team Rich, I'm not involved in any hatches. You see me I say this is no joke thing. Me not think if it's not joke. Me not involved in that. Who did dep on the live, see what me did dep on the live, and sister me never entertain none of that. You see me I say, me not this him, cause you know this me, in just I say, me over here I entertain. Me never did that to that, bro. You see me I say, all me tell blam the girl them say, me no involved, me no want to hear about that, me no support the address thing, cause remember me a coward. All who go and slime a smart youth, you know, nobody didn't hack you that. As me I say, me no involved Team Rich. Amen. Eh?
No, me I say,
Me no involved, bro. Your chain fake like your clitoris. Are you are the only man this him? Bro, what you mean me this man? You may get cute, you know? You know?
Rolling crash outs.
Two-punch stronger enamel defense. New for enamel kids.
Suck, no matter, yeah, pussy, stop chat, no man. Stop chat, no batty boy. Stop chat, man. Stop chat. No, man, when them buck me, Batty boy, when they buck me, I buck me. Tell her that, batty boy, listen. Batty boy, anytime you're ready, pussy. Anytime you buck me, you buck me. Suck, yeah, man. I'll get on next clip too. Fuck me, batty boy, suck, yeah, man. Dog, follow you, bumbo club.
Listen to this, Pops. Just listen to this, tell the six up front.
I don't the thing them in a really like to the blame them. Yeah,
Tell that little boy. Tell that friend them to run up.
yeah, get me involved. I'm in a like the business now.
Chip black and chip there, so listen.
My side, two donut. I'm not really business now. No war, blame them. You don't want to get involved.
Pops, listen to this, sir.
Miss Williams, big up yourself. Blame them. You don't want to get involved.
Then we are chat off your batty mouth for them.
You don't want nobody do me nothing.
Then we are chat off your mouth for them.
My side, don't shoot for me 3 times.
Eh?
Blame them. Nobody go join me. Nobody go set me up over here, no better.
Listen to this, sir, Pops.
But I go set me up there. Now, make the people know say me not involved. Call them and say me involved.
Remember say you give man a bit song, you know, you help support him and them, you know. So you're involved.
Tell them, blame them.
You don't tell them nothing, I bit boy.
Yeah?
I bit boy. You drive up and down. Carol, thank you, Carol. Remember saying you drive up and down like I eat that, you better say you're not involved, you better clear your name. Remember me love hide, you know, them can't catch me. Them can't catch a kill it pro speed.
Involved. Blame them, blame them, I'm rating me, not involved.
Yo, them can't catch me. Can me hide. So you can't follow me on this paper. You will get box in your face. And hard ball.
Yo, you can't do what your merch say. Eh?
Me I work, and I see me work at the time.
You know, see your merch, I tell you what you do, you not follow it. That, you don't make that boy win.
Nah, the first man me say happy. Man, when the man there Panama with the girl, the man not happy. When the man there Jamaica or Jaden, he happy. Not happy man, bro. Paper, when Slime there Panama with the girl, the man not happy.
When in there Jamaica with Jaden, he happy. I gotta
Oh,
come here and
size
tell me
up
say man
time.
about
Size
it.
up time. You chat too much, brother. Watch you know laugh. When you get joke batty boy about
Watch me
choo
and see
choo.
this.
You see who know everything on the choo
I
choo
have blood
choo.
clot. I feel your thing
The
this
time
bro.
I know a choo
I
choo
know
choo, the
about it
choo choo
boy
a
too
change.
too.
Blah, me not done.
Seriously, we attack, bro. Cause we no happy when we there on no one when there on woman. When we there on one as man no happy. No batty man, bro. Every day Jaden beat up Fabi. You unhappy. Now they together and happy. You know eat food. You know batty boy there.
Like your bad mind in a batty boy, you know. You
Just
see, the bad mind. No, you know, nobody wrong you.
bad
You know, you're
mind for what?
lonely now. You know, nobody wrong you. You see me, I say? Yeah, you're not a friend, bro. You're not a
Yeah,
brother.
if I saw me a few people around me, no one nobody around me.
This is when me are 17. We are go back down in night now. No, sir. Somebody what? Somebody left school at the time. Yeah. Mommy, people are talking. I remember some people are come off FYP. Oh yeah, me did left school. And me have this one. Me have that tattoo there from me in a grade 10. Me been have a tattoo. I just hide my eye them. Yeah. I hide them. What kind of BBL? I'm a real body this. Me been telling you say some body look. I'm a real body that. Me hurry up and take.
Go start out to them there. Yesterday I sleep and poop. Me say went to a roll and poop. Blam for me big old blood clot bed. And I go sleep again on a roll and I said so plam. When the wall of that kill up on yourself over here so. And then I roll again and bust one big old poop. Blam. Pepper seed don't post it. Pepper seed don't post none of my video them over here so today. Cause you post me address with me pitney little you know. And active don't post no more my video them. If me go have me and my ex-gang people them report on the page. I don't know want that. Cause I no post my family things them. No, me I tell you no, brawling. Brawling, me I tell you no. Me not think me safe, but come on here. I think you're safe. A long time war go on and a long time we don't understand about war. We don't have the address so long and not do nothing. We want to post the address so other people can do something. And if other people can do something, I want to get the blame. Think people are idiot? Think people are fucking idiot? Stop going like an idiot, man. Who that? Oh, I bush. Are we show the bush? Who that? I want a lizard. A lizard, me see. A lizard foot, me see walk past and I shadow just a while ago, you know, cause me a peep out of me, you know. I can't get the best of me, dog. I don't take none of no serious. I suck on no mother until today. None of no. I'm not afraid, none of no. None of no. Hey!
The second best cocky me ever saw no pan camera. What? The second best I want dancehall artists. Me say the cocky biggie. Ugh. Me say the cocky biggie. Oh my God! Me say the cocky biggie. Why the cocky have a big guys? Cold bomb take up my body. Wanna say? Guys, I see the cold bomb. Oh, me remember about the cocky. Me say when the man pull the cocky out of the pack, I'm see the cocky. I say, if you're a young boy, and my mind, I say, if you're a young boy, oh, you're so big. Bro, me I tell you, say, it's like me want to grab up the wood and fling it up in on my crutches. It's like me want to hold up on the wood and say, huh? You know, hold it gone.